How to remove Recaptcha in Omegle iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Recaptcha in Omegle iPhone. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and search for the Safari app. Click on the Safari app. Now scroll down and find the Block All Cookies option. Turn that option off. Now click on Clear History and Website Data. In order for this method to work, you need to turn off the cookies first. Then clear your history, otherwise this might not work. Now open your browser and go to the omegle.com website. Now click on Video. Take both the options and click on Confirm and Continue. Now click on Allow. Again, do the same thing. Now your Recaptcha has been removed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.